Good afternoon, guys. Um, Today I'm going to be doing a trade recap of November 12th, 2024, and today is Tuesday. So, let me get right into the charts. Take off the execution. So, yeah, today I did have a winning trade, and I am going to explain exactly what my thought process was, um, how I was feeling during the trade, and what really enticed me to take this trade in the first place. Where I was aiming for price to draw to. And yeah, so let me get into it. So I'm going to take all these drawings off because I want to start from scratch. And if you guys want to see all the drawings on, then if you were to go to my channel and look at the live stream titled NQ Trading or NQ Live Trading November 12th, 2024, you'll see me trade this live, call out where price is going to live, take the trade live, and yeah, so basically I trade everything live every day. So you guys should definitely check that out. So let me start. I know it seems that my chart's always very uh how do I say this? Messy, because I always have these new day opening gaps. And I think that soon I'm going to try and use a notebook and have them all on paper instead. And so my charts will just look clean. Kind of, it will literally look like this. So, but we'll see. For now, I'm gonna keep the drawings on until I pass this paper trading account. Okay. So at 9:30, which is this line right here. So this is what I'm seeing prior to 9:30. And so first thing I do every AM session is I'm outlining the buy side liquidity and the sell side liquidity, which this is our ultimate goal right here. But we had minor sell side here and here as well. So going into 9:30 open, we have this tiny opening range gap. And in my model, I say that if we have an opening range gap that is way too small, that I'm going to wait till 10 o'clock to trade. So that was a mindset I had coming into this AM session and after 9:30 opening. So price drops lower, fails to take out the sell side, and creates these relative equal, well, there's already relative equal lows, but it makes it basically stronger, and it makes this drawn liquidity more likely to get ran out. Comes up here, takes out the buy side, and drops lower. Now, the reason that I said I wouldn't take a trade here was, first off, wait, hold on, let me use market replay. I think it's going to make it a little easier. So, right here, right? And so we take out this buy side, right? We drop lower with huge displacement, and we create this fair value gap. Now, there's a couple reasons I wouldn't take this trade. First reason is I didn't want to trade till 10 o'clock, so opening range gap was too small. Second reason is There was no change in state of delivery. And third reason is we didn't really respect anything on the daily time frame. So, or the weekly time frame. So I said in the stream that I wanted to see price go higher one more time above this liquidity. So I moved my buy side here. And then we're watching price. I'm going to mark out 10 a.m. open here. Watching price. Takes out that buy side. And right here, we change the state of delivery. Change the state of delivery, and we respect and we tap into a consequent encroachment of a daily candle wick. So I'll show you guys that on the daily. And my charts get especially messy when you look at it from a daily viewpoint. So it's right here. See this level? 21,247. It's the consequent encroachment of Friday, November 8th's candle wick. So, going back to 1 minute, respects that daily candle wick, changes state of delivery. Still not 10 a.m. yet, so we have this huge candle lower. And I really recommend that you guys watch the live stream because this candle, right, this 9:59 a.m. candle reaches very low. And I know that possibly a week ago or 2 weeks ago, I would have hesitated on taking this trade because that would have scared me out of it. Anyways, I waited till 10 a.m. Entered, I think, let me put the executions on now. Let me take off right here. Entered. Oh, executions don't show up on market replay. Well, so I think I entered like right here. Like right there. I'll use this right here. So I entered like right here. Stop at the rejection block. First take profit right here. I'm going to outline that here. Already a 5R, so 5 risk to reward ratio. So for these 30 handles, multiply that by 5, and that was my risk to reward. So I think I risked like $50 and I made like 300 today. Is that correct, math? No, 25. Well, technically it wouldn't be times 5 because I take partials and stuff. So anyways, whatever, let's get into this. So here was my first take profit. Second take profit was here, but I moved it after price was consolidating a lot. Honestly, I'm going to relook at my model and see if what I should change about it, because price does consolidate for a while. So ran through take profit 1, barely miss our second take profit, and then we just consolidate. And so I moved my take profit. We enter the macro, and the macro finally pushes us lower and takes out this final take profit here. So I'm going to relook at my model and kind of change how I'm going to be doing my partials, or how I'm going to move my stop loss. So, but yeah, that was the trade I took today. Very good trade. Now I want to check exactly how much money I made on this trade. So 158 plus 50.5 plus 86. So 294.5. And I think I risked $54. So that is a risk to reward ratio of 5.45. Meaning I could take 5 of these trades win one, and still had made a profit. So yeah, here are the executions. See, entered right here. Very, very near the high. I think maybe less than 20 handles away from the high. First partial there. Moved my partial lower and took out the final one here. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. If you tuned into the live stream, you are learning a lot more than just watching these trade recaps. If you guys haven't seen the live stream already, I really highly suggest it, because especially when I was talking about with that 9:59 a.m. candle, I'm glad I stick to my model. I didn't let that scare me out of not taking this trade. So yeah, anyways, thank you guys for watching. If you learned anything, please like and subscribe, and I will see you guys tomorrow.